Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all with good greetings. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I will tell you about the gel pens, how gel pens requires us for in Pakistan and how they sell in Pakistan. I will tell you the history of gel pens. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon and also do support me. Let's listen to me carefully. A gel pen uses ink in which pigment is suspended in water-based gel because the ink is thick and opaque. It shows up more clearly on slick surfaces than the typical inks used in a ballpoint or felt tip pens. Gel pens can be used for many types of writing and illustration. The general design of a gel pen is similar to that of a regular ink-based pen, with a barrel containing the writing mechanism and a cap and a reservoir filled with ink. The barrels can be created in many different sizes and designs. Some have finger grips of rubber or plastic. The size of the nib or pen tip ranges from 0.18 millimeters into 0.0071 in to 1.5 millimeters to 0.059 in. Here are the gel pens that are seen shape. Okay, I will tell you about this inks. Compared to other inks, gel ink has a higher viscosity, which supports a higher proportion of pigments in the medium. The pigments are typically copper, phthalate, and iron oxides, and the gel is made up of water and biopolymers such as xanthan gum and tragacanth gum, as well as some types of polycrylate thickeners. The pigments are opaque. Pigments are opaque, and gel pens are available in several bright and pastel colors, as well as opalescent, metallic, and glittery colors, which show up clearly on dark paper. Many gel inks are water resistant and are not washed away by water, and once the ink has dried, fraud resistant gel ink is unaffected by the solvents such as acetone and resists check washing. A trait of gel ink is that it resists an analytical method commonly used to assess potential age of ink for forensic purposes. The United States Secret Service has mentioned the International Ink Library for many decades because manufacturers change their ink formulas slightly from year to year. Thin layer chromatography (TLC) can be used on ink from traditional pens to trace the manufacturer and date of manufacture of most inks. The pigments in gel ink do not dissolve and therefore cannot be analyzed with a TLC square. Now I will tell you about the history of gel pens. In 1984, the first gel pens were produced by a Japanese corporation in Osaka, Japan, called Sakura Color Products. The first gel pen to be released commercially was the Belsai 280, which was sold by Sakura Color Products in Japan. Their first product, which became available in America in the late 1980s, was the Jelly Roll. Following this, Crayola jumped on the gel pen bandwagon, producing pens with thicker bodies, marketing them to children. The gel of these pens were made up of metallic sparkles and fluorescent colors, popular among artists for their easy control and smooth drying capability. That was about its history, that how gel pen works in the history, how they produce gel pens in other countries as well as Pakistan and other countries. That was about the gel pen. I hope you all will like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and also to support me. Khuda Hafiz.